Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss about the rotor EMF, rotor current, rotor power, and rotor torque. We will derive the equation for rotor current, rotor power, and rotor torque. Let's start from its basics. If we are talking about rotor EMF, the rotor, the rotor the rotor the rotor EMF at stand still condition E2. The rotor EMF, the rotor EMF at any sleep is S E2, and if we are talking about the rotor reactance, the rotor reactance at standstill condition is x2 is equal to 2 pi f1 L1, and the rotor reactance, the rotor reactance at any sleep, yes, equal to 2 pi S F1 L1, where x2 is equal to x2 dash is equal to S x2. And now if we will talking about the rotor resistance, the rotor resistance is R2, then the rotor current, then the rotor current will be S E2 divided by under root S x2 square plus R2 square, by dividing both side, numerator as well as denominator. This equation will be converted into E2 divided by under root x2 square plus R2 divided by S square. If we are talking about the power factor, the power factor the power factor angle will be tan inverse theta is equal to tan inverse perpendicular by this, that means x2 divided by r2 divided by s is equal to tan inverse s x2 divided by r2. And now the power factor will be the power factor of rotor of three phase induction motor is cos theta 2 is equal to r2 divided by under root under root x2 square plus r2 square and the air gap power, the air gap power developed in three phase induction motor is E2 I2 cos theta 2 is equal to E2 into, this is the equation number, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. By putting this equation, I2 cos theta 2 is equal to R2 divided by under root S x2 का square plus R2 square and then this will be converted into S E2 divided by under root x2 square plus r2 divided by s square into I2 into r2. Then this equation will be converted into air gap power Pg is equal to I2 square R2 this will be divided by S here, R2 divided by S, then PG is equal to I2 square R2, this S is came here, and then PG is equal to I square R2 divided by I square R2 is equal to SPG is the relation between air gap power and rotor circuit losses, copper losses.